All right, another year, another onslaught of disposable plastic hitting the market. We've all been there. Fitness gadgets promising the world, then folding faster than a cheap deck chair. It's tiring. Most of it feels like it's designed to fail, to ensure you buy the next iteration. But some things are still built to endure. Today, we're dissecting one of those anomalies. The music boxing machine review? Worth it? 2025? This isn't another flimsy piece of gym floor decor. It's an altogether more substantial proposition. Compared to the plastic junk most people settle for, this feels like a serious piece of kit. It's for the discerning few who demand something with real backbone. Something that feels solid, dense, almost industrial when you first pull it from the box. You can feel the intention behind it, a departure from the hollow, light feel of its competitors. If you're done with gear that gives up before you do, pay attention. The link is waiting in the description for those who want to see the specs as we go. When you mount this thing, there's no creak, no wobble. It's a dense, satisfying thud against the wall. The pad itself isn't some soft, giving foam. It's a textured surface, firm, yet with just enough give to absorb a real punch. You feel the feedback, a satisfying impact that tells you this thing can take a beating. The sensors inside, they're responsive, tracking every strike with precision, not some vague approximation. This is about real data, real improvement. The LEDs light up with a sharp clarity, guiding your rhythm without any lag. It's not just a toy, it's a tool. Every component, from the heavy-duty bracket to the impact surface, feels like an investment in its lifespan. This isn't a product you'll replace in 6 months. It's built like a tank, unlike my lower back after a particularly enthusiastic session. And that brings me to a crucial point. I've linked the current price below, because it fluctuates daily. If you're seeing a deal right now, it's worth grabbing. Seriously. These aren't always available at a sensible price. Now let's be honest, nothing is perfect. And this machine, while robust, has its minor quirks. The initial setup guide? It's sparse. You'll figure it out, but don't expect a masterclass in instructional design, more like a hastily translated pamphlet. And the power cable, while sturdy, could do with an extra foot or two. If your outlet isn't precisely where you want this mounted, you'll be hunting for an extension lead. Minor quibbles, yes, but they exist. It doesn't detract from the core product's quality, but it's worth noting. It's like a beautifully engineered car with a slightly fiddly glovebox latch. Annoying, but not a deal breaker. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. When you factor in the sheer durability, the quality of the components, and the consistent performance, the economics start to make sense. If this thing reliably serves you for, say, 5 years, and I fully expect it to last longer, then the cost per use drops dramatically. It becomes one of the cheapest, most effective fitness tools in your entire arsenal. You're not just buying a boxing machine, you're buying reliability. You're buying peace of mind, knowing you won't be replacing it next season. It's an investment, and a sound one at that. Far better than throwing money at endless iterations of plastic failures. This one earns its place. I put the link below so you can check the current price and stock status. See you in the next one.